Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use the banana skin or the banana peel to make a free fertilizer for your plants. Now this banana water or banana tea acts as a mild homemade potassium-rich liquid fertilizer that promotes healthier, stronger plants and encourages blooming. It is essentially a tea made from soaking banana peels, providing a gentle, natural nutrient boost of potassium, calcium, and magnesium while recycling kitchen waste. You simply get a clean container and you put all of your peels from your banana in the container and top it up with water and let it steep for between 24 and 48 hours, and then you can strain it as I'm doing in this illustration, and you can add this liquid to your garden water before you water your plants. It should be diluted. I usually use this water bottle, the empty water bottle that I'm filling here. I add that full to 2 gallons of water, and I water my plants at a time. I will repeat this process for a second time, and after that time I will use the banana skin to add to my old soil to create a compost. I'll show you that process along with other scraps in a different video, how you can make free compost at home using old recycled soil. I will soak this for a further 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in some way. See you next time. Bye.